Riley here from Opals. If you've never cut an opal before, then this is a video for you. Over the next few days, we're going to put together a series of videos teaching you exactly how to do it.
We're going to use Andamooka Matrix opal for this series. Andamooka Matrix opal is the best opal that I've found for teaching beginners how to cut opal. It's incredibly forgiving. We're going to cover how to cut it by hand if you don't have any machinery, and also how to cut it with an arbor if you do. We'll also touch on doping, which is putting the stone up on a sticks with a special wax, and the heat treating process, which darkens the matrix background in order to make the opal color pop out a bit more.
If you like our videos and want to see more, please give us a like and ring the little bell so you'll get notified when we put new videos out. Thanks!
Let's get started.
This is a drawing I call The Anatomy of an Opal. Most opals are pretty much like this. You got some potch on the bottom, and then non-opal stuff, and then a colour bar of opal, probably in like the middle, and then some potchy, sandy stuff on the top. So the object of the opal cutter is to have a dome where that colour bar is, and if possible to leave a bit of potch on the bottom so that the colours shine extra brightly on top. Andamooka opal is great for beginners because the colour bars are so thick. Sometimes it can even run from top to bottom, straight through. This is a picture I drew of the general process of cutting an Andamooka opal. First, you get a piece of Andamooka rough opal, and you get a template or a circle and draw the shape you want it to be around the opal with a pen or pencil, and then cut it out either by hand or with an arbor until it looks something like this. Then take off the edges and then polish it up, do the back, and you've got a perfect cabochon. Something like that.
Easy.